We are about to go on a rather unusual journey, a stroll around the unknown universe of invisible life. To do this, we'll need a microscope, in order to enlarge images hundreds of times over. The inhabitants of this universe can be measured in terms of a few tenths or even hundredths of a millimeter, and are made up of a few hundred cells or even a single cell. Compare this to the billions of cells that make up a newborn chick. We will be surprised by the wide variety of shapes and the strange habits of these creatures, which predate our own arrival on Earth by hundreds of millions of years. They managed to survive a series of catastrophic events and witnessed the upheaval of continents and the birth and death of gigantic species such as dinosaurs. Over the years, many of their orders disappeared without trace. But we can still find traces of many of them in the darkest depths of the sea and in the remotest regions of the world. Even if differing in proportions, their DNA is similar to ours, or rather, it is us humans that inherited from them a basic common molecular structure. For this reason, these creatures today represent a priceless source for experimental research in genetic engineering. We will obviously not be dealing with this subject. We are only interested in the random observation of the behavior of the inhabitants of this fascinating universe, the universe of the infinitely tiny. There are many available sources of observation: puddles, ponds, patches of moss, and even the water where our cats and chickens drink. Let's start our journey. Every drop of water which is placed in the indentations of the slides will be like a sea, measuring only 8 millimeters.